హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు టైమ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం స్టాటిస్టిక్స్లోని కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఏపీ ఐసెట్, టీఎస్ ఐసెట్లోని ఈ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ అనేది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. దీంట్లోంచి మనకి 7 క్వశ్చన్స్ వరకు వస్తాయి. ఏపీ ఐసెట్లో అయినా టీఎస్ ఐసెట్లో అయినా ఈ చాప్టర్ నుంచి 7 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ప్రాబబిలిటీ. మొత్తం టోటల్గా ఈ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ అండ్ స్టాటిస్టికల్ ఎబిలిటీ యొక్క వెయిటేజ్ 10 మార్క్స్. సో స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ అనేది మంచి స్కోరింగ్ సబ్జెక్టు. ఓకే, వీ కెన్ జస్ట్ రిమెంబర్ ద ఫ్యూ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములాస్, ఆటోమేటిక్లీ విల్ గెట్ స్కోర్ ద గుడ్ మార్క్స్ ఇన్ దట్ టీఎస్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ద ఏపీ ఐసెట్. ఓకేనా, కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. చూడండి, ఇది problem. The mean of the 10 observations is 20. The mean of the 10 observations is 12, and the another set of 12 observations is 10. What is the mean of the total observation? We know that mean means it is a sum of all observations by total number of observations. So the mean of the 10 observations is 12. So what is the sum of all the 10 observations? Sum of all 10 observations is simply 10 into 12, that is 120. And similarly, the mean of the 12 observations is 10. So what is the sum of the second 12 observations? The sum of 12 observations, it is simply 12 into 10, that is 120. So what is the mean of the 10 observations? What is the sum of the first 10 observations? 120. Sum of the second 12 observations is also 120. Now the question is asking what is the mean of the all the total. So how many total observations? First case it is a 10, second case 12. So total 22 observations are there. What is the mean of these 22 observations? So what is the mean means sum of all observations by total number. So what is the total observations here? Sum of the total observations here 120 plus 120. So that is the 240. And how many total observations are there? 10 plus 12, that is the 22. So simply what is this value? 120 by 11. So clearly it is the second option. Okay, na? So what is that for mean? It is a sum of all observations by total number of observations. Okay, na? No. This is also that problem based on the mean. The mean of the 100 observations is found to be 39, and 3 observations are incorrectly copied 13, 19, 26 instead of 18, 12, 28 respectively. What is the correct mean? మొత్తం 100 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ యొక్క మీన్ ఎంతని ఇచ్చాడండి? 39. ఇందులో నీకు 3 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ అనేవి ఏంటండి? 18, 12, 28 అనే 3 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ రాంగ్గా కాపీ అయిపోయాయి. ఎలాగండి? 13, 19, 26గా. సో దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీన్ ఆఫ్ ద కరెక్ట్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్? అంటే ఫస్ట్ we calculate the sum of all these 100 observations. What is the sum of all 100 observations? It should be 100 into 39. Now what they given? In this, some of the observations wrongly considered, wrongly taken. What are the wrong observations here? 13, 19, 26. ఈ observations అనేవి wrong observations అండి. కాబట్టి ఈ టోటల్ సమ్లోంచి we have to subtract the wrong observations. So what are the wrong observations? 13, 19 and 26. So total now how many observations are there? Simply we have 97 observations, but we have to calculate all the correct all the 100 observations. So what we have to do? Now we have to include the correct observations. What are the correct observations here? 18, 12, 28. So simply we calculate 18, 12, 28. So what is this total sum? This is the correct sum. So 100 into 39. We just observe what is this value? This is the 19 plus 26, it is the 45. 45 plus 13, it is the 58. And we observe this sum, it is the 12 plus 28, it is the 40 plus 18, 58. So 58 minus 58 become 0. So the total sum is not affected, again 100 into 39. So what is their arithmetic mean? Simply we divided by the 39. Sorry, divided by 100. So clearly 100 will be cancelled. So 39 is the mean of that one. Why here the mean is not affected means because the total sum, if we wrongly consider the observation, but the total sum is remains constant, remains same. That's why what happened here, the arithmetic mean is not affected here. Again the same arithmetic mean is there. Okay, now because the 18 plus 12 plus 28, this sum is also 58. What are the wrong observations we included? That sum is also 58. 29, 26 plus 19, it is the 45. 45 plus 13, again 58. So the sum of the wrong observations, sum of the original observations, both are same. That's why mean is not affected. Okay, now. So how we can calculate this problem? First we calculate the sum of the observation and remove the wrong observations and add the total correct observations, and again divided with the total number of observations. Now, so this is the median. What is the median means? When we written these given observations in the ascending order, that is the increasing order of magnitude, then the middle of the observation is called the median. So here all observations itself the increasing order. So 5, 5, 5, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14. So no need to written them in the increasing order. Now here how many observations are there? 4 plus 3, it is a 7, 7 plus 3, 10 observations are there. So the total number of observations are 10. So what is the median? Median is nothing but the middle of the observation. That is the 5th observation and the 6th observation divided by the 2, because here the 2 observations are there, because the total are the even number of observations are there. So we have median is the average of the middle term, that is the 5th observation, 6th observation by 2. What is the 5th observation here? 12 is the 5th observation, again 6th observation is also 12. So what is the median? It is 12 plus 12 by 2, that is again 12. Suppose it is the odd number of observations are given, then only the one middle term is there. That is directly the median of the observation. Okay, now? So median is very easy to calculate. Just we have to express the given numbers in the increasing order, and middlemost observation is the median. Now, this is the very important relation between the mean, median and mode. What is the relation between the mean, median and mode means? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So this is the very important relation, and frequently in every year they are given a one question based on this relation. Okay. So mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. They are given the mode of a distribution 12, mean is given. What is the median? So simply substitute these values in there. So it is the 12 is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mean is 3. So what happened? 12 plus, we take that minus 2 into 3 this side, it is the 6 is equal to 3 median. So what 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 by 3. 18 by 3 is nothing but 6. So median is equal to 6. That is the second option. Okay. So this is the very important relation. This is called the empirical formula. Whenever they are given the any two, we can easily calculate the third one. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Now, this is the again that calculation of the median, but in the discrete series. How we can calculate the median means the same logic we have to follow. What is that method? First we have to return the given observations in the increasing order. So what is the increasing order? We observe the x is the increasing order. x value, f means frequency, how many times that x is repeated. So 15, 17, 20, 22, 25, 30. So all observations are in increasing order. So no need to arrange them in the increase. So 15 is repeated 2 times, 17 5 times, 20 10 times, 22 12 times, and 25 8 times, and 30 4 times. So how we can calculate the median means middle of the observation, that is half of the observation. So first what we have to calculate, cumulative frequency we have to calculate. So what is the cumulative frequency? Here 2 as it is 2. Now the next one is 2 plus 5. This is the 7. Next 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 12, that is a 29. 29 plus 8, that is a 37. And 37 plus 4, it is a 41. Okay, now 12, 24, 34, 34 plus 7, 41. So the total sum value, how many observations are there? 41. So what is the median? Median is nothing but the 41 by 2. That is how much? 20.5. So the observation which is the 20.5 or more than 20.5, that is the 21st observation. That is the median of that one. So which observation is occur in the 21st observation? Just observe. Here these are the 2, frequency 2 means 2 is here 15 is repeated 2 times only. Here 5 means till 7, it is a 17, and 17 means here the 20 is till 20 we have 17 observations, because till 17, 20 we have 17 observations, but we have to calculate the 21st observation. So what is the next one? 29. So 17 to 29, all observations are, what is that value? 22. That means 21st observation is in which interval? Fall in this interval. That's why what is the corresponding x value? The corresponding x value is 22. So the median is 22. Simply we just observe which observation is the 21st observation, that is the median. So first 2 observations are 15, and after that 7 observations 17. Next 17 observations 20. So like that 18 to 29, it is a 22. Our required one is the 21st observation. So that is the 22. So what is the median? It is the 22. Okay, now? So we written the observations in the increasing order and middle of the observation. Okay. Now this is the standard deviation. What is the standard deviation means? Simply sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square under root. This is the way to calculate the standard deviation. And we know the important point, when a constant is added or subtracted, there is no change in the standard deviation. So here they given the 8, 8, 8, 8 like this till 13. So whenever we add a constant or subtract a constant, there is no change in the standard deviation. So first we subtract 8 from every observation. Then what is the new observations? It becomes like this. So 0 repeated how many times? 9 times. Because 8, 8, 8, 9 times, and 13 minus 8 is 5. So standard deviation of these observations is also same as the standard deviation of these observations. Why? In a standard deviation, when a constant is added or subtracted, there is no change in that. So both are same. Now we can easily evaluate. We substitute this formula. What is that? Sigma xi square. That means every observation is square that value and add. So 0 square 0, 0 square 0, so on 5 square. So 5 square by 10. Total how many observations are there? 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Minus sigma xi by n. Sigma xi means we have to add all these observations. So that is the 5 divided by n, 10 whole square under root. So what is this one? 25 by 10 minus 25 by 100. So clearly LCM is how much? What is the LCM? LCM is 100. So 250, 10 it is cancelled 10 times, 250, 10 into 25 is 250 minus 25. So what is this value? 225 by 100. We know that 225 is 15 square root, 100 square root is a 10. So 15 by 10 is nothing but 1.5. Okay, now 15 by 10 is how much? It is 1.5. So this is the way to calculate the standard deviation. What is the important point in the standard deviation? When a constant is added or subtracted, there is no change in the standard deviation. ఒక కాన్స్టెంట్లో యాడ్ చేసినా సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినా స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. ఈ ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, సిగ్మా xi స్క్వేర్ బై n మైనస్ సిగ్మా xi బై n హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అండర్ రూట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద వే టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇవి కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్లోని. ఇటువంటి మోడల్స్ మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. దీనివల్ల అంటే స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ అనేది మనకి ఎక్కువ స్కోరింగ్ సబ్జెక్టు టీఎస్ ఐసెట్లోని, ఏపీ ఐసెట్లోని. జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.